Hey everyone, Crowbar here, cooking with Crowbar. Today we're going to do a breakfast sandwich. It's going to be a mess. Hopefully it'll be good. It's Crystal's idea, and she wants me to be the one to cook it. So we're set up. So we're gonna cut this. This plastic is tough. It is starting to irritate me. So I already got 2 patties on there. I got 2 patties on there cooking now.
Sizzle going on.
All right. So we're gonna take some olive oil. Pour some olive oil on here. Just spread it out a little bit. Oh, that's hot. We'll get our non-stick. We're gonna get them eggs in there. I can't believe I don't have a trash bag. Put a little bit of seasoning on the egg. I'm gonna go ahead, the muffins. Clean the knife off. We're going to take the muffins. We're going to put a little layer. Put the buttermilk in there. Okay. And the eggs. See, that's non-stick. That worked. Non-stick. Now with the eggs, we want to keep them whole. You don't want to poke the yolks yet. Okay. Go ahead and flip our sausage. Let them cook up a little bit more. Want to take 2 new forms. Okay. Cut open the bag of potatoes. Turn that heat down a little bit. Wow. Put some hash browns in there just to keep them formed nicely. We'll put some more olive oil in with the eggs, just enough. Flip them eggs over. Check on our sausage. And we'll put a little bit of seasoning. Whoa. Put a little bit of nature seasoning on our potatoes here. Okay. Let them cook nicely. Why not put a little bit of pepper on too? Just a little bit more pepper. Yeah?
Yep, that's good.
Good. Check on the muffins. Oh, look at this. Get a good shot of this. Look at that.
Yeah,
Look how nice it's getting browned. This griddle is awesome. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the potatoes over like that. Okay, so what we can do now is we'll get our blueberry pancake batter. And we don't need that much. Just making 2 of these for now. Add about that much water. Whisk it in. Whisk it nicely. Look at that. Yeah, get a good shot of me whisking this. So so everybody can see. Yeah, okay. One little pancake. Two little pancake. Check on the potatoes. I might just say F it and not. That was hot. Okay, good. They're starting to form. Crystals. Right. Sandwich made first. That's the top. That's the bottom. Okay. Look at that. Get a good shot of them potatoes. Ooh, ow, ow. Fuck, that's hot. Now the pancakes are ready to be flipped. Look at that. Perfect pancake. That's getting lifted.
Sorry.
Try to do this gently. Just like that. Just like that. Pancake.
Yep. There you go.
Syrup. Gotta have syrup on a pancake, right?
Yep.
Put a little bit more on there. Make sure you get a real good close-up of this when I'm doing it. Make sure it's in the sunlight. Now what I'll do, we'll do sausage.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yep.
I'll put mine on this plate. Pancake. Syrup. Okay. Sausage. Ooh, did you see that slide?
Yeah.
And then we'll do an egg. Just like that. Right? Just like that. The hash browns.
Oh yeah.
And then to top it off, with the top. Now, a lot of people say, get close-ups of your food, get close-ups of your food. I want to see what it looks like. It looks good. All right, I want sunlight on this. I'm not going to bother cutting them, but what I will do is go ahead and let you get a real good shot, as close as you can, right there. Now watch this. Oh my God. See that yolk? That looks so good, doesn't it? That there is a real badass breakfast sandwich. This is Chrystals sandwich, and we're gonna try it.
Oh my God.
Is that good? All right, people, here we go. An explosion of egg right there. Just an explosion. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Are you kidding me? That's like all your breakfast in one. Your mouth just gets, your taste buds just get hit with explosions. My breath was just taken away from that. I didn't expect that. That was just soak up some yolk. Well, that was fantastic. Crystal had a good idea. So, that's it for this episode as a quick breakfast sandwich real fast. So until again, this is Crowbar cooking again. I'm out of here. But before I do, don't forget to leave a like. Subscribe right up there. And don't forget to tap the bell. That way you'll be notified when I put up new videos on YouTube. Till then, y'all be kind. Later.